Hi guys, we are again back with another video, and in our previous videos we had been talking about generating revenue or ROIs. This time around we are going to talk about lead generation through Google AdWords. In this video we are going to talk about how we helped a client to generate 8-time leads, and that too only in a span of 30 days. Yes, you heard me right, just 30 days. You can see the data from Google AdWords, and the increase in leads is 8 times. The niche we're going to talk about today is recycling. Of course, the client was based out of US and it was a B2B space business. When the client approached us, they were already running Google AdWords and had spent about $2,000 and were able to generate only 16 leads. So when we actually analyzed the account, we found out that they were not using any negative keywords. All the keywords were used in broad match. Of course, they were not doing any split testing or A/B testing. Poor ad copies were there and no optimization of quality score was there. Now we already knew the problem. Apart from this, we had to spend some time on analyzing the market and trying to find out the best practices. After the client gave us the go-ahead and the budget was approved, we had completely restructured the campaign using the best possible PPC practices. After implementing the new campaign structure, we were amazed to see the data which showed increase of 8 times in leads, and the CPA value was down to only $20. Here we are going to show you the results from Google AdWords. As you can see, the initial data shows there were about 2,000 clicks and only 16 conversions. You can clearly see after the implementation of the restructured campaigns, the clicks to about 100,000 and there were 134 conversions. If you have a similar business or are already running Google campaigns and are not able to generate leads, feel free to get in touch with us through our website. Would really appreciate if you can like, share and subscribe to our channel.